Mole calculations. Welcome to the Farmyard Academy, the home of short clip revision material and tutorials. Please subscribe and thanks for watching. When attempting difficult mole calculations, split the problem into 3 stages. 1. Write the question out. 2. Work out the moles of something. And 3. Use a mole ratio. There are 3 important mole formulae. M equals mass divided by molar mass for a solid. N equals C times V for a liquid, and N equals V divided by 24 for a gas. You will need to be able to use any of these formulae in combination for higher tier calculations. There is a 5-step strategy to solve complicated mole calculations. First, decide to calculate and create an equation. Then add known terms. Thirdly is to calculate the moles of something given in the question. A diagram may help you here. The 4th stage is to use mole ratios, which are also known as stoichiometric coefficients, to calculate the unknown moles you need. Finally, plug values in and calculate with units. Now you know the basics. Please see our tutorial video, where we will solve a complicated mole calculation exam question. Thanks for watching and see you again for more learning on Farmyard Academy.